And do you know this okra water can also boost your libido as a woman? Just try this and let me know your feedback.
I wanna know who you are.
Hi, blessed people. Welcome to another session of Hiras Remedies. Today's video is specially made for my ladies who are looking for the fruit of the womb. If you are that person or a family member or friend is, then continue watching this video as I reveal all the secrets. And before I start, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get you notified whenever I upload a new video. So let me quickly share some benefits of the okra with you guys before we continue. Okra helps control cholesterol levels, it fights against cancer, it boosts immune system, it stabilizes blood sugar levels, and a whole lot of benefits, and I can't mention all. It also supports fertility and healthy pregnancy, and this is why you must watch this video to the end. Get clean water in a bowl and wash your okra thoroughly to get rid of the dirt on it. Get rid of this side. Cut the okra in small pieces, just like this. When it comes to this remedy, any type of species of okra is okay. This was wrong, and I'm still on my way. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders, child, don't forget who you are. Next thing to do is get an airtight container. Not necessarily this type, but just any airtight container or any cup with a cover, and transfer your okra in the container. Add cold water to the okra in the container and soak it overnight. So it's okay. So I'll soak this overnight. I just have to cover it like this and leave it for overnight. So this is how it looks. See you in the next morning. And I'm back again in the morning, and this is how my okra water looks like. So I'm going to get a bowl and a strainer to extract the water from the okra. And do you know, apart from boosting your ovulation or fertility, you can also take this okra water when your honey pot is very dry and boring. See how it's slimy. And this is how your honey pot is going to be slimy and juicy. So please don't forget to give us your feedback when you use this remedy under the comment section, so others can also learn, to motivate them to also use this remedy. Get a clean glass cup and transfer your okra water to it. So I have a full glass here. This remedy will make you highly fertile because it causes multiple eggs to be released during ovulation. And do you know this remedy also increases the chances of having twins or triplets? Then try this remedy and let me know your testimonies in the comment section. So all you have to do is take this okra water first thing in the morning, just 1 glass. After the next day after your menstruation, take this okra water for 2 to 3 days. And don't use the same okra for that 2 to 3 days. Try this okra water remedy and enjoy your journey to motherhood. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video, and like this video as well. Just watch me drink this water boldly. I say, truth to be told, this water is not sweet a little bit. And please don't use warm water. Don't add anything to this water. Just be bold and close your eyes or nose and swallow everything for your own benefit. See how I'm going to take mine.
Walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told
Somehow
me
sweet.
before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when
And do you know this okra water can also boost your libido as a woman? Try this and let me know your feedback. Thank you so much for watching my video to this end. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell in order not to miss my next video. Bye.